everybody, Ken.Gotter here at Guaranty Chevrolet, and thank you for clicking on this beautiful 2018 Chevrolet Impala Premier. Do you want a lot of bells and whistles? Do you want to travel in some comfort? I'm going to have the camera go in on the driver's side. I'm going to come around, but this would be the one to do. Is Pepper Dust Impala. That's the color on the outside. Black leather on the inside. Cooled, heated, power on both sides, vented seats. As I said, vented navigation. It's got the Bose speakers, memory seats, adaptive cruise control. So what's nice with this, you can be out driving on the highway, have it in cruise control, set at 65 on I-5. Someone starts to slow down, the vehicle's actually going to slow down and keep that distance between the vehicle. When it then speeds up, you'll speed right back up without having to do anything. Lane departure warning, sideline zone alert, low speed, high speed braking, pedestrian braking. So it's got all the nice safety features, airbags of course, side impact, front, driver and passenger, plenty of power with 310 horsepower, 6-speed automatic. And the nice thing is our technology. It has been updated from when these first came out in 14 to the new technology. So I do have my standard navigation up there, which is nice. It's nice with the Impalas. Got a hot charger in here, a little hideaway storage. Plenty of wireless charger down here from your phone, so you could just be, didn't bring my phone with me, but I can set my phone in there, and actually it would be charging whether it's plugged into the USB or not. Come back to the radio here. I've got my navigation that we were just showing. That's going to stay with the vehicle all the time, but the nice thing that everybody's using now is they're going to what they call the projection screen. That's going to be your Android Auto or your Apple CarPlay. Plug my phone into one of the USBs in here. Can just leave the phone tucked in here. Doesn't even have to be out. And then I can use the map from my phone. So if I have an Android, I can use OK Google. If I have a iPhone, I can use my Siri. Don't have to take the hands off the steering wheel. I can voice text, receive a text, listen to it, do my navigation, which is constantly updating. It's kind of the nice thing about that navigation. Everybody's using their phone navigation because it's on that constant update. So why not be plugged in, use your CarPlay or your Android Auto, and have that navigation always there. Worst case scenario, I've got this navigation. It's going to be built in, and don't forget about OnStar with my safety, vehicle diagnostics, and maybe I just don't want to mess with the map. I can push my blue button, talk to a live person. I'm frustrated. I'm like, hey, we just pulled into Seattle and I've got cranky grandkids. Not that I've done that, but yes, I have. And now I need to find the nearest restaurant. We prefer pizza. And, you know, the OnStar rep's going to go, well, got one within a couple miles, give you the route and send you on there. So plenty of ways of taking long trips in this. And we're going to go take a quick look at the back because I do want to show you whether it's adults or grandkids or whoever you have. And this seat is all the way back. If someone was almost 7 feet tall, I'm just under 6 feet. I've still got plenty of room. Of course, normally the seat will be further up. And you got all the room in the world in the back to sit and be comfortable. And then, of course, the trunk. Can't forget about the trunk because that's what the Impala is known for. That is a trunk. That is something we can crawl in. You can almost see the end of it. It's almost as long as a tunnel. Maybe I need more room. There I am right back here. So come on down, see me. These are beautiful, full-size luxury vehicles at great prices. Come see Ken. Let's go take a drive in this Impala or any of our others. Have a wonderful day.